sometime. Time to get packed up now. Oh, for fuck's sake, I put my belt on the wrong way.
Bobbing like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll.
That's it. End of weekend, dog. See you, Pete. Take care, love. Alright, mate. See you, pal.
Alright, ready with you.
Let's go, mate.
You leading?
No, you are. You're always leader, dog. Wake me up before you go. We're behind Peter Sitting Bum.
He's going to meet a mate, he is.
Is he?
Yeah, he's not going off yet. He's going to meet a mate or something.
He's fucking hardcore, Pete is.
Someone who's camping around here.
Oh, I've not turned my camera back onto the other super view, mate. It's just on wide. It'll do. It'll fucking do. I forget I do all the time.
Is you the cunt?
Oh, I'm a cunt.
You are the cunt.
Been a good weekend though, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit quieter. That first night was about the rowdy.
Yeah, it was.
And then you blew yourselves out, all of you.
Well, I didn't. I was feeling a bit rough the first night, wasn't I?
No,
I blew mine out on the Saturday. No, the Friday night, wasn't it? The Friday night was me. Oh, I enjoyed it. You ruined that by getting your teeth fall out. Augie and his little Peggy. Beautiful that was. Still tickles me now, that does. We want Peter as a leader. What a lovely day, Og, to finish it on. Isn't
Oh,
it?
you were out there last night, were you? When they came walking up the fucking... fell over that fucking fire thing.
Yeah, I was. Yeah, I was.
Were you?
Yeah, I was there.
Oh, kicked that fire thing, didn't he? Fucking fell towards me.
It was fucking beautiful. Oh, yeah, I laughed at his misfortune there. I nearly did that the night before, stepped back on it. I enjoyed my little poo I had then, Og.
Oh, shit.
Honestly, there's someone in next toilet to us. You know what it's like when it's dead quiet and you're both in there and you both try and be quiet. I let a little blob go. They did. And then we were in time with one another, just boop, 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 boop. It's beautiful. I don't know who it was though. I don't know who was shitting next to me, but mine was a double flush to clean it up. Oh, Aggie, love you, I do.
That? That's all, that's you fucking know.
What?
Oh, you
Got you straight away again, I love it. You're getting good on them indicators you are, Aggie, aren't you?
well, we're trying.
You're doing a marvellous job, Aggie, a marvellous job, Tory boy.
What the fuck's sake said, would say, oh, I'm going dinky. I'll buy everyone a breakfast. Oh, all the time.
Oh, he's fucking plenty of money, that lad, he's rolling in it. Could have paid for everyone's camping, he could have. Fucking old Rockefeller. I've heard he's opening his own fucking electrical store selling fucking them fucking screens that he's been getting.
Hurry up.
I can't.
I'll pull up for you up here then. You fucking pillock.
Well, you shouldn't fucking speed off, mate.
The aisle every weekend? I don't know.
Mine was your tooth coming out. The look on your face. Lost you now. Yeah, oh no, it's come back. You're there. Sing a song to me, Oggy. I reckon I could have beat that. Reckon I could have been one of them fucking knobheads that skipped through that then. You lad.
Oh, I'm not going in the garage. Next one, you dickhead.
You fucking tool. Look at what he's done to us. Look at what he's fucking done. Honestly, Oggy, this is why I like following you. We'll run out of fuel before we get there now. What are you doing?
I'm following you now.
Well, I'll tell you what, you'll get the right fucking directions, mate. Come with me. You fucking useless piece of shit. Yep, it's clear.
This is the one, you fucking knobhead.
Fucking knobber. Are you getting outside of me or not? Or you just want me pulled forward?
I'll pull forward now. Get behind you.
The end one, Og, don't be fucking up and putting diesel in again, you twat.
Oh, if we could have the wrong end.
Oh. You get in there, yeah?
It'll have to do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Make sure no one robs my bike, I've got key in it. I'll pay for us both in a minute. Fucking hell, 19 quid. Oh, Oggy. I think my turn was yesterday and you missed out. Can I pay for the 2 on pump 1, please?
Oh, you're paying for both?
Cheers, my love, thank you.
Mine was 16, 13.
Thought I'd treat you, Og, so you couldn't slag me off saying, oh, you always bring me yours. You bitter little man you are.
16, 13. Mine was.
Come out of the kids' fucking mouths, that has, Og.
That's 150 miles.
Come out of the kids' fucking mouths. You're on fucking bread and water tonight, Oggy. But let's go get some fucking grub, Oggy, Oggy, Oggy. Oi, oi, oi.
One eternity later.
We're back in crew. Let's spot them freaks. Let's spot them all right now. Give him with his tits out. Get away, you fucking Biafran. Fucking hell, Og. You didn't mean do that, did you?
I did mean do that.
Fuck off, mate. Not only that, he paid. Look at the baby, it's had a quick rinse. That's it. Still a few little bugs, but it's good enough. It's fucking good enough. Let's get our ass round the corner and get home, Oggy. That's the tractor. And here we are, back at home. Let's hope back gate's open, Og. Alright, I'm going to turn you off. End of another fucking mystery mission.